ClickUp offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs and team sizes. Here's a breakdown of the plans and how to choose the right one for you. You can use the link in the description to try ClickUp. Free Forever plan ideal for personal use or small teams with basic needs. Includes unlimited members, 100 megabytes of storage, and core features like task management and list views. Unlimited plan at $7 per user per month. It is best for small teams that need more storage and features than the Free Forever plan. Offers unlimited storage, integrations, and advanced functionality like custom fields and subtasks. Business plan at $12 per user per month, geared towards mid-sized teams requiring increased collaboration and security. Includes everything in unlimited, plus Google single sign-on for streamlined login and enhanced guest permissions. Enterprise plan at custom pricing, designed for large organizations seeking extensive customization and branding options. Offers features like white labeling, advanced permissions, and unlimited custom roles. Consider the number of people who will be using ClickUp. Free Forever is suitable for small teams, while business or enterprise cater to larger teams with complex needs. Identify the features your team needs, such as storage space, integrations, automation, and advanced views. If you collaborate with external users, guest permissions become important. Consider plans offering enhanced guest access. If branding and extensive control over user roles are necessary, enterprise might be ideal.